Student conversations early in the morning. Time to get up. I just went to bed. You shouldn't have stayed up the late. Watching TV. I told you watch late to get on early start. I know, but that movie was just too good to leave. I will just have to pay the principal and the sleepy. Do you want to eat breakfast here? No, why don't you? Why don't we just grab a bite at the coffee shop next door? Okay, by me, classroom. Discuss the phrase such as grab a bite and okay by me and what they mean. Have students brainstorm other conversational phrases and their meaning and write their dialogue using new phrases. Have a class discussion about the importance of good right sleep. Classroom idea. Student. Where did John go? Student. He went to the drugstore. John. To the bookstore. No, I said. He went to the drugstore. Oh, I am misunderstood you. I have through you said break store. How could you make a mistake like that? Weren't you paying attention? Classroom idea. Student 1 2. 1. You look happy today. 2. I am happy. I just heard I based my physics exam. Congratulations. I am glad somebody happy. Why? What's the matter? Oh, I am just worried. I guess have to take a history exam next. Response to thank you. Go, no problem anytime. Don't worry, it mentioned. Think nothing, it. You are welcome, my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Way to say thank you, thanks to a lot. I appreciate it. Many thanks. Thanks very much. That very kind of you. I am thankful something. I so grateful something. Conversation. Conversation between passenger and railway enquiry. Passenger. Good morning. Railway enquiry. Yes. How can I help you, sir? Passenger. I have lost my luggage. Railway enquiry. Which train did you board and when? Passenger. This happened yesterday on the Ghat short bed express from define number. Define. Railway enquiry. Why has your boarding time? Railway enquiry. 12 o'clock. Railway enquiry. Can you pleasure brief me? Passenger. Brief me about your brain and luggage. Passenger. An American tourist was in color and is made with big or letter. Railway enquiry. Please show me your ticket. Your ticket. Passenger. Sure, sir, here it is. Railway enquiry. You will need to submit your ID card for complaint registration. Passenger. Sir, can I submit my license as I do proof? Railway enquiry. Sure, we will contact you soon after investigation. Please give us 20 hours. Passenger. Thank you, sir. I will wait for you. Call eagerly. Conversation 2. Sham. Excuse me, sir. Clerk booking. Yes, please. Counter. Sham. I want to know availability of berth. Clerk at booking. Where to? Sham. To Delhi. Clerk booking center. When? Sam, 15th or 16th this month. Clerk at booking center, Sam, do you need birth in account or room number account? Clerk booking, let me check. You will have account in Madhya Pradesh. Clerk booking center, when? Sham, on these days. I shall go on 15. Clerk at the booking center, please fill the form and submit here. Sham, here is the form. CB, give me 20 to 50. Sham, sir, here is money. CB, here your ticket. Sham, thank you. Conversation with aeroplane. Aeroplane. Do you have any flight by Sydney next Thursday afternoon? Reservation clerk. Northwind Airway, good morning. May I help you? Mary Jones, yes. Do you have any flight to Sydney me at Tuesday afternoon? Reservation. One moment please. Yes, there is a flight at 16:45 and on at 18. Mary Jones, that's fine. Could you tell me how much return flight cost? I will be staying there 3 weeks. Reservation. Economy, business class or first class ticket? Mary Jones, economy please. Reservation. That would be 346. Mary Jones, okay. Could I make your reservation? Reservation clerk, certainly. Which flight would you like? Mary Jones, the 16:45 please. Reservation. Could you have your name please? Mary Jones, my name is Mary John. That Mary Jone. Reservation clerk, how would you like to pay, Miss Jones? Can I pay at a check-in desk when I pick up my ticket? Reservation clerk, yes, but you will have to confirm the reservation last 2 people departure time. Reservation. No, you have been booking, Miss John. The flight leave at 16:45 and your arrived in Sayed will be 9:25 a.m. local. The flight number is NWA 476. Mary, thank you. Air travel. Reservation categories airline. Reservation airline. Confirmation, first reservation. Change giving your reservation. Changing your reservation. Cancelling your reservation. At check-in desk. Inside the plan. At press port carpet. At customs. Accession Clyde and the practical English air travel. Railway, bus, car, hotel, restaurant, health platform, shopping, making. At the copy leisure. Want to learn English, want to learn improve British of Florida. Railway ticket. Railway ticket reservation. Excuse me, BC booking. Yes, please. Deepak, I want to book a ticket Jaipur. Can you proceed me the form? BC, yes, sure. Yeah, sure. Deepak, okay. Can you tell me how many trains are available on this route? Sir, we have only a single train available on this route. Deepak, okay. How many seats are available in this seat? BC, sir, we have 18 seats left in this train. Can I also book a refer ticket on the some day? Booking clerk, yes sir, so that you have to fill another form. Deepak, please provide with that form you showed. Deepak, I filled with form. Please accept. I had booking your seat in this train.